I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to empty the trash on your Android device. Step 1. Open the Files by Google app or the default My Files Manager app on your device. Step 2. Tap the menu icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner, or scroll down to find the Utilities section depending on your specific phone model, and then tap Trash or Recycle Bin. Step 3. Select all the files you want to get rid of, or tap the All Items bubble at the top. Tap the Delete button at the bottom of the screen, and then tap Delete again on the pop-up window to confirm you want to permanently erase them. Those files will be deleted. Step 4. Open the Google Photos app or your standard device gallery app, as photos and videos often have their own separate trash system. Select either Trash or Recycle Bin. Step 5. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner, select Empty Trash, and then tap Delete Permanently. Those files will be deleted and removed from your device immediately. If you are still looking to free up even more storage on your Android device, you can navigate into your system settings, select Storage, and look for a dedicated Trash or Device Care option. Many modern Android versions include a central storage manager here that shows a complete breakdown of every app utilizing a hidden trash folder, allowing you to empty them all from one convenient menu. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.